How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today, I want to talk to you about Shiba Inu and why it's doing so well here today, hitting all-time highs. And I've talked about it twice before on the channel, and I realized that some people hated me for even just talking about it, thinking that it was a crap coin, and then some people in the community thought that I was being too bearish. So either way, I was offending people apparently. So I want to cover it a little bit more in depth, talk to you about all the pros, all the cons, what I think about people going all in on Shiba Inu, because some people are doing that. Some people are selling all their Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, index funds and moving it over. So I want to talk about that here today. I'm seeing all the comments. I want to hit on it. So if you guys don't mind, hang the like button and the subscribe button. I really do appreciate that. I do want to give a thanks to today's show sponsor, which is Unstoppable Domains, a great company. There's more information on them down below in the description and in the comment section. You can make money from them and you can just make your life a lot simpler with them too. So Shiba Inu is going up pretty drastically here today. So you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum kind of trading sideways the last day. A lot of the big caps trading sideways. Now I will say Shiba Inu is up 23%. It's almost cracking the top 10 in terms of market cap. I mean, if you take out some of these stable coins, it is in the top 10. Now I will say a couple other cryptos that are up. VeChain up 23% this week, Polygon up 24%. I've talked about both of them recently actually. I talked about Polygon here, and then I talked about VeChain as a crypto I was buying recently. So I do talk about other cryptos a good amount, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, but both of those doing pretty well. But really, the market has been sideways for the last 24 hours, maybe, with the exception of a few cryptos. And a lot of people are looking at Shiba Inu right now because it is flying right now. It's moving up in market cap a lot more than everything else. And it's getting close to Dogecoin. I mean, it's over half the market cap of Dogecoin. So let's talk about why that is. Well, first of all, obviously, so many people are waiting for Robinhood. And I won't go through this too much, but everyone thinks that Robinhood is going to start selling Shiba Inu after they already have done Dogecoin and they made so much money from it. I mean, 30% of their last quarter revenues in the whole company came from trading of Dogecoin. So it only makes sense. Also, the fact is they have a very strong community. Some people say that doesn't matter, but the fact is when Elon Musk said they didn't hold any Shiba Inu, it fell like 20% and it was bought up just really quickly. So I think those are the two main reasons why it's doing quite well. And then also in a sideways market, everyone looks at what's moving and people are looking at Shiba Inu. They see a catalyst, they see a good community and an excited community, and they want to flock to that, right? Also, I will say too, it is, in my opinion, better fundamentally than Dogecoin. It's not inflationary. There's a set amount. You can actually build on it. It's on the Ethereum network. So it does have a couple things going for it. We also have this news. It hit an all-time high recently and became the most highly traded crypto on Coinbase, which obviously that points at Robinhood wanting to list them because they want to make money off of them. Now, I will say too, the token distribution is, I think, better than Dogecoin. So the top address holds about 44%, but it's a burn address. And in Dogecoin, the top address holds like 28%, and it's not a burn address. You can also see some of the top holders are Xshib, Crypto.com, Binance, Huobi or Huobi. So some of the top holders are exchanges and burn addresses. So that takes a lot of the risk out of being dumped on. Now, it still could dump, don't get me wrong. This does not have as much utility as something like Ethereum or Solana. Don't get me wrong. It's not going to be used in the same way as stablecoin. So just keep that in mind. Now, one article that came out recently is the Motley Fool. It's like literally an hour before this. 2 reasons to sell Shiba Inu. The rally is speculative, saying basically Elon Musk can move it. Also, Shiba Inu brings nothing to the table, they say. They talk about the Sheep Army really being the main reason that's going up, just because they're trying to focus on creating a community. They do have a DEX though, and they have NFT trading. So you can see that they are different than something like Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin, really, I think a lot of people compare Dogecoin to Shiba Inu because they're both like meme coins at the beginning, and then also they're both dog coins, right? But Shiba Inu, you build on top of it. I don't hear too many people talking about Shiba Inu being a real good use of exchange versus something like Dogecoin. Now, some people are talking about using it to buy things. Now, in my mind, I think Shiba Inu isn't as much of a exchange, like a currency, as Dogecoin because it's not built the same way, but that's just my opinion. Now, the way I look at it is like this, right? We have a risk reward curve. As the risk goes up, the return doesn't necessarily go up. The more risk you take, you're not necessarily getting a lot more money. Now, at the beginning, right, you can take barely any risk, but you barely get any return. The way I see it is if you put this in a portfolio, that's fine, right? If you want to hold a low position in it. But as the market cap gets bigger and bigger, the risk goes up and the return gets less and less, right? If this was a $100 billion cryptocurrency, the risk reward would be much worse, right? Because it would take so much more money to push it up in price, and it wouldn't be as valuable because you wouldn't get as much of a return. So I think as the price goes up higher and higher, of course, it makes less and less sense to buy it. I think anyone that argues against that doesn't know stocks or crypto very well, right? If this was a $1 trillion asset, of course, more would be being done on it, right? Because more people hold it, more people are rich from it. They want to use it in some way and they don't want it to fall down. But it itself would be much riskier. The other thing I always consider is the fact that people only have so much money, right? We can't all put unlimited amounts of money in Shiba Inu and Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything that we want. We only have so much money. So whenever you put money into something like Shiba, you are taking it away from something else. And I am very, very bullish on Bitcoin for the risk reward. That is why I talk about it so much. It is by far and away my highest weighted asset in my portfolio. I see institutional adoption. I see asset managers going to offer it to their clients. I see banks going to offer it. I see all these different deals every single day. I see different credit card companies offering it for a use of payment. I see countries adopting it. I see so much happening that I think the risk reward is so good. There's a lot less risk in Bitcoin than every other cryptocurrency out there. I don't care what it is. And there's still a good amount of reward. Like I think it will vastly outpace index funds and real estate over the next 10 years. So that's where I just think that you have to realize you only have so much money. So make sure you weight it appropriately, whether it's Shiba Inu or Bitcoin or index funds, make sure that you're happy with the weighting. One thing to consider is the fact that people that went all in on Dogecoin are still down about 65% if they went all in at the top. So of course we're at all-time highs for Shiba Inu. We don't know if it's the top or if it's going to double or triple from here. Just know that something like Dogecoin fell down 65% while other cryptos are up 100%. I mean, in the same amount of time, Bitcoin's doubled. Ethereum has more than doubled over the last couple of months. So just keep that in mind too. Do I think it's going up to a penny or something like that? No, because I mean, that would be an insane market cap. It would be bigger than Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of cryptocurrency. I don't think that's happening. But if you want it as part of your portfolio, I can't argue against it. I've been saying for a while that I don't hold it, and it's just been going up. So of course that can change at any moment, but there is a good community, like I said, and if they do get listed on Robinhood, I think that will pump it. Again, I hold a lot of other cryptocurrencies I think have a lot of utility, and if you want to hate me in the comments, you can go for it. This is not like a FUD fest or anything like that. You know, FUD isn't always wrong either. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There's nothing in there that says anything about being tricked or lying or spreading misinformation. That is just sometimes FUD is correct. So let me know your thoughts on this down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out Unstoppable Domains if you want. Also, you can get Shiba Inu on Voyager if you want. There's a link underneath the video. You get paid interest every single month in Shiba Inu for holding it on there. So definitely check that out. They give you a bonus when signing up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.